Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You already have a running API and auth. Now take the first actionable step. Build the full JSON payload that represents the resource state, not a patch. Use the exact URL for the resource, include the ID in the path, and attach your bearer token in the authorization header. Set content type to application/JSON. Once done, send a single put request that replaces the resource. This ensures consistency and avoids partial updates. Make sure to log request and raw response for debugging. Send the put and observe status codes carefully. A 200 with body means updated resource returned. 204 means success with no content. If you get 400, validate your JSON schema and required fields. If you see 409 or 412, it indicates a write conflict. Use e-tag or a version header to perform optimistic concurrency. Once the response is accepted, verify the resource by issuing a get to confirm fields and timestamps. This closes the loop. Finalize by ensuring the put is idempotent. Repeated requests produce the same state. Implement retry logic with exponential backoff for network hiccups, but avoid blind retries on 4xx errors. If things go wrong, capture the exact request payload, headers, and the full response. Compare them to the expected schema and server logs. One key troubleshooting tip: if you keep getting 409/412, check etag/version mismatch and refresh the resource before retrying. This resolves most concurrent update failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.